what prompted you to want to find or do have a treatment for your gum recession?
I have the fear of losing my teeth.
Fear of losing teeth. How did you find out about your recession?
Through the dentist, the prior dental office, and then here.
And what did they tell you?
Well, I was given different options at different offices, but when I finally came here, this was the option that kind of sold me. It was going to be painless, but essentially, or pain-free, or the recovery was a lot quicker. So.
And what were the other options that they gave you to?
In other dental offices, it would have been grafting, which was going to be a lot more painful, and recovery would be a lot longer.
So now it's 5 years later since you had the Pinhole Surgical Technique. Has it met your expectations?
It's exceeded the expectations, yeah. I'm very happy.
So what do you remember the day of surgery and the day after? Did you?
I was really impressed. Actually, very surprised that I wasn't in. I was expecting to be in a lot of pain or a lot of swelling, and it wasn't. I pretty much went back to my normal routine within a couple of days. It was really easy.
Excellent.